Hello everyone, welcome to Garage Door 82. This is a little unusual video, but that's okay. What we got here is a PlayStation 5. I figured I'd do an unboxing video, so let's waste no time, let's get right into it. Okay, so they did packaging a little different. Okay, well, you guys are just gonna have to give me a minute and let me get this out of here, and then we'll continue. Alright, there we go. There's what the box looks like regularly. So, there's that side. Just nothing on it. But we're gonna get down to the good stuff here now. Instructions tell you how to unbox it. Well, we don't need that. I tell you guys, they gave us more box than what you bargained for. This is box number 3. So we took the shell off. We just showed you the outside of this one. And now we got another one. So let me pause this one more time and let's pull this box out and see what we got. Be right back. My bad. It's not a box. It's not another box. It's a little tray thing to hold everything. So let's see what we got here. We'll start with, we got one power cord. One controller. Oh, hang on guys, we got one more. We got one HIM cord, or whatever how you say it, in UBS. Over here, you got booklets out the yang. As I prefer, it's another man's opinion. I know some of you will be real, there we go. Here's box number 3. We don't need that, so we're just gonna set that over there. And here's the machine itself. So there's no way I'm gonna try to take this out holding the phone in my hand, but this is what the machine looks like. So we're gonna take it out, and we'll just place it here on the bed. So I will need 2 hands to do this. So here's what it looks like sitting in the box. I'll get it out and we'll take a look. There we go. There it is sitting there. Everything's still in the wrapper. Now the matter is putting it all together. I said you got the another man's opinion. Cord, controller, plug, and the machine itself. So now I have to unwrap everything. I'm going to unwrap it, show you all the way, just the way I have it now, but I'll unwrap it, and then I'm going to put it all together and then I'll show you then. So I'll be back in a minute. Alright, so instructions, controller, power cord, the USB cord. That's what I was talking about, why I didn't know how long it was going to stand, but at least it was on the bed, not the, and there's the machine itself. Alright, well, we're only going to lay the machine down, so I don't want to break it before I use it, so. Alright. Now, it's fact, put it right there where the other one is. So we're going to do that next, and I'll show you how it looks, and I'll get later on a video of it running. So this is it, guys. So there's the machine, the controller, the cords, the books, the pieces that hold it into the box, the box itself, the decorative box, the wrapping, that box with all the little components. So that's it, guys, and my little hot dog. So enjoy.